Hey, what's up guys? Luke Profits. Does Amazon allow dropshipping? I've seen this question asked so many different times. Does Amazon allow dropshipping? And the answer might surprise you. Yes, Amazon is perfectly fine with dropshipping. They actually have a policy that specifically says dropshipping's totally fine. I'll put a link in the description so you can go ahead and click there and see. Basically, you just need to know that you are totally responsible for your items that, being sent out on time, being delivered to the correct addresses, being, not broken, all that kind of stuff. You're totally responsible for the products that you're selling, even though if you're having them fulfilled by somebody else. You're totally responsible for that. So if there are any problems, they come back on you, and usually it's not a big deal because you can just have them return it and then, send it back to the supplier and stuff like that. So yes, but Amazon is holding you accountable for, making sure that everything's being done properly, which makes sense. As the person that's owning your dropshipping business, you're responsible for the products you sell. Wow, who knew? The dropshipping policy also requires that you remove any packing slips, invoices, external packaging, any of that kind of stuff, because since you're selling on Amazon, Amazon wants buyers to think, oh, my product's coming from Amazon. They don't want to think, oh, I'm being, dropshipped to from some other supplier. Amazon's fine with it. They just don't want, other branding of other companies getting mixed up with Amazon and confusing customers and stuff like that. So they ask that, you ship it in just a plain brown box that doesn't have any branding on it. So that's it. Amazon is totally fine with dropshipping as long as you follow those guidelines. I'll put the link to the full dropshipping policy down there. It's like right at the top of the description of the video, so you can go ahead and click and see Amazon's terms and rules and everything. But that's pretty good summary of everything that the policy says. That said, you do have to be careful when dropshipping from some suppliers, especially like the big box retailers like Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, Costco, like all of those big box retailers and stuff, because when they ship items, they usually come in their branded packaging, which is against Amazon's terms, but you can still do it. Assuming you've passed the initial 3-month-ish period where Amazon's looking really closely on your account, and it's not strictly 3 months. There are specific guidelines. Even if you created your account 5 years ago, if you haven't really sold on it or anything, you're still in that initial 3-month period that I'm talking about. I'll put a little card thing that'll pop up here. So if you don't know what that is, click up here or you're going to accidentally get your account suspended by doing something stupid. So, follow this this little card thing that popped out and click. And if nothing popped out, then I probably just forgot to link it. So leave a comment and I will go ahead and fix that there. But yeah, very specific guidelines you need to follow to sort of age your account, break it in a little bit, and because Amazon's looking really closely at your account when it's new, and then after you've been doing the right thing and everything that they want for several months, you can sort of get past that, and then they stop really paying as much attention to your account, and then that's when you can drop ship from bigger retailers and things like that. You want to start with I've got a whole video about it, so I'm not going to go too much in here, but just click the thing if you don't know about that and you want to see that video, because it will save you if you're new to Amazon dropshipping. So to recap, yes, Amazon is totally fine with dropshipping. They just want stuff, being shipped to buyers in just plain, packaging, no brands, not like a big, Walmart logo on the side or Target or anything like that. As long as there's no branded packaging, invoices, anything like that, Amazon's totally fine with dropshipping. And since, with how dropshipping works, if you're doing fulfilled by merchant, where somebody places the order with you and then you order it from, your supplier, Target or whatever, and have it shipped to them, the branded packaging isn't that big of a deal as long as you've kind of broken your account in, because Amazon's not, shipping those products. You are shipping those products, or rather you are having Target ship those items for you. And since Amazon's never, getting to inspect the boxes or anything like that, it's pretty much fine to have branded packaging show up to your buyers. It doesn't really cause any issues. It's just that technically you are going against the guidelines. So it's better, if you have the option, try to get it in, unbranded packaging, because then you're perfectly in compliance with the policies. But if it's coming in a Walmart box or something like that, but it works and people do it and make a lot of money doing it. So, well, guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to dropshipping on Amazon and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. Goes over everything you need to know to get started dropshipping on Amazon. And Amazon's great because compared to other platforms, it's actually super easy to get sales with very few listings, because there's so many more buyers on Amazon and so many few sellers that you're competing with compared to other platforms like eBay. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started that has hundreds of other dropshippers in it that you can join. I post new content on this channel every few days, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications, and I'll be back with another video in a couple days.